Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Max Extract Carpet Cleaner. First, prepare your area by thoroughly vacuuming to remove any loose dirt and debris. Next, pre-treat any stubborn stains with a suitable spot cleaner for best results. Remember to move all furniture and obstacles from your cleaning path. Finally, always test the cleaner on a small, inconspicuous area of your carpet to ensure color fastness before you begin. Now, let's get the machine ready. Fill the clean water tank with hot tap water. Avoid using boiling water. Then, add the recommended amount of Max Extract cleaning solution to the designated solution tank. Be careful not to overfill either tank to prevent any spills during operation. Once filled, securely close both the water and solution tanks, ensuring they are properly sealed before you start. When cleaning, make slow, overlapping passes with the machine. Push forward while holding the trigger to apply the solution, then release the trigger on your backward pass to extract the dirty water. For heavily soiled areas, you might need to make a few extra passes. Remember to avoid saturating the carpet too much, as this can prolong drying time and potentially cause damage. After cleaning, it's crucial to allow your carpet to dry completely, which can take several hours. You can help speed up this process by using fans or opening windows for better air circulation. Please avoid walking on the carpet until it is thoroughly dry to prevent resoiling. Finally, always remember to empty and rinse all tanks after each use to keep your Max Extract cleaner in top condition.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.